Life cycle of a frog. Frogs are amphibians. They can live in water or on land. They go through several stages of life before they become adult frog, and during those stages, they live only in water. A frog begins life as a fertilized egg. A female frog releases a lot of eggs from her body at one time into a water. The eggs float on water in a jelly mass or cluster. A frog's eggs has a jelly-like covering, but it has an unpleasant taste. How does this protect the eggs? The jelly-like covering has unpleasant taste to prevent the eggs from being eaten by the predators in water. Each egg hatches into a tadpole. When the tadpole hatches, it looks more like a fish than a frog because it has a tail. Tadpole has gills which is used to breathe underwater. The tadpole eats plants and algae from water to grow. Between 12 to 16 weeks, lungs will start to develop so it will be able to breathe out of the water when it becomes a frog. From a tadpole, it will grow into a young one, which is called froglet. During this stage, two front legs grow and its long tail becomes shorter and shorter. It uses the nutrients stored in its tail as food. So until its tail is completely gone, it doesn't need anything else to eat. Then just a little stub of its tail is left. It hops right out of the water and onto the dry land for the first time. From a young froglet, it will grow and develop into an adult frog. The frog's tail will eventually disappear completely and will start to eat insects instead of plants from water. That's why adult frog needs to live on land at times to get some more insects as food. Adult frog will stay again in water if it will lay eggs again. The life cycle of a frog repeats again when the female adult frog lays its eggs in water again. To sum it up, the life cycle of a frog has 4 stages. These are egg, tadpole, the young called froglet, and the last stage, the adult frog.